channel. Today we're having a late summer Sunday family dinner. As we usually do, we gather around the table most Sundays, but this time we're having it outside on our beautiful back patio. And I just want to share with you how I put together a simple yet very enjoyable and relaxing Sunday supper for our family of 6. You don't need much to make it special. As you can see, I have some yard clippings for our centerpiece, which really, in my mind, makes a huge difference for how everybody feels at the table. And then I went to my china hutch and I gathered placemats, napkins, and these things happen to coordinate because they are in an aesthetic that I already would buy for when I'm out at, Home Goods or someplace like that. I'm always on the lookout for what I can add to what I already have to make it cohesive. Here my youngest son, is lighting the candles. My daughter set the table for us. Glass hurricanes like these are a must, and these are not made for the outdoors necessarily, but I always grab them to bring them out with us to help make the table special. And everybody appreciates that extra little touch, even if it's just for your family. And for me, they're my most important people. As we finished up the last of the wine, we played with the dogs and enjoyed the last moments of daylight. And there it is, what's left of a beautiful Sunday evening dinner with the family. If you like this video, would you consider giving it a thumbs up? Also, I'd love to see you in the next one, so please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. It would just make my day. Have a great one. See you next time.